سلام دوستان عزیز، به یک ویدیو جذاب دیگر از کانال ما خوش آمدید. در این ویدیو داستان هیجان انگیز نرگس و زنگی که به صدا در میآید با ماجرای خروج جن را تماشا خواهیم کرد. تا آخر داستان همراه ما باشید تا ببینیم پایان ماجرا چی خواهد شد. بیایید با هم داستانی چه گفت انگیز را دنبال کنیم و قبل از همه اگر تا هنوز هم چنل ما را لایک، سابسکرایب و دوستان شریک نساختید، همین حالا شریک بسازید. پس بیاین شروع کنیم.
Magic Bell of Wishes. Story. Once upon a time, a little girl named Narges lived in a small village. She always wished to be able to speak English. One day, while walking in the forest, she found a small magic bell with an inscription on it. Narges. What a strange bell. What is this? She rang the bell and suddenly a little genie named Max appeared. Max said, "Hello, Narges. I am Max and I am here to teach you English." Narges was thrilled and asked, "Really? How?" Max handed her a magical box and said, "Everything in this box will help you learn English." Narges opened the box and found 3 things inside. 1. A talking book. 2. A magic pen that translates words. 3. A map that takes her to magical places. Max taught Narges how to use the book and the pen. For example, Narges, "This tree is so big." Max, say, "This is a big tree." The map took her to magical places, like the animal school, where animals spoke English. I am a rabbit. I am a bird. In the end, with the help of Max and the magic box, Narges was able to speak English and teach her friends too. Moral of the story: learning a language can be magical and fun if we continue with passion and practice.